to Mary's channel. Today we're picking up litter from the Magno Park.
We're gonna pick up litter with this litter picking. I hope you enjoyed the video.
I hope you all enjoyed the video. We are going to take a walk into the Moklo Park to pick up dirt and make the environment clean. Let's go, girls.
That way. Go that way. Go back. Oh yeah, go back.
Come and take your hand gloves.
Oh.
You don't need to wear it. You're going to wear tutu. Yeah.
Okay. I have them.
Take. Okay, hold on.
I know it's like because I went there.
It's yours.
We saw everybody knows where the mountain is. This way or that.
This is yours.
Huh?
I'm coming. I'll open it for you. What is here? This is the head.
Oh. There.
And this mine.
So I have a little picker. Anyway, why did I say that? Like, oh my god.
You have to hold mine for me because I'm going to do the litter picking.
You still pick and put inside.
Yes, by the breeze.
Don't worry, the breeze will not disturb.
Yes.
The blue.
Why you come
play?
After picking.
Okay.
So where are we going? This way or this way?
This way.
This way?
Yeah. Library. Remember when I met
Watch
you
out!
there?
Look out for litter. Remember?
Okay.
Look out for litter. When you see anyone, you pick it and put inside your bag.
I throw it in the and then the bucket. But then you can throw it.
The environment is clean today.
And that's I guess we haven't seen any litter yet. Yeah. Very lucky.
Oh, I found something.
Let's go. You go and look for yours. Leave her.
Oh yeah. Let's see.
Let's pick something here.
Oh. Let's see that one.
Put this inside your bag. Let's go. Oh yeah, let's start the video. Oh, that's great.
This one's not.
That's better.
Have dirty. I found dirty.
Okay, let's go. Just be going.
That's fine. So.
Everywhere is looking clean. Don't even know we have to pick dirty anymore because the environment is clean. We are here to pick. Michelle, are you picking?
There's dirty over there.
Be careful.
Don't follow.
And you?
I don't have.
See that. Pick that white thing. Okay.
Okay.
Go to this side.
I wish we got to bread. Yeah, to feed the dogs.
Yeah, we'll still go to the. Yeah, we'll have to go and get bread there. Then we'll feed the dogs.
Yay! I want to have it. I haven't. Can you help me?
Are you picking?
Yeah, there's smoke under here. Oh my god. People do this. Ew. Oh my god. People smoke.
Pick the smoke up.
I picked one smoke off. Oh, there's another one.
There's a lot of smoke around.
Jesus, the glory of my life, you died for us to live. Jesus, Jesus. Jesus, the glory of my life. You took away your sins, Jesus. Oh, Jesus, the glory of my life. I will magnify you, Lord. Jesus, I will glorify your name. Jesus, oh, I will magnify you, Lord. Jesus, I will glorify your name. Jesus, I worship you, Lord. You are worthy, worthy, worthy. You are worthy. I lift your name.
Mommy, that's a pig.
It's already stuck to the ground.
Mommy, that's a pig.
Wow, look at the river.
Don't go there. It's so scary. Scary cat.
Can you find it?
You guys don't like red.
I'm looking for the but we realize that everywhere is clean.
Look, I found something. There's something over there.
Look at
Jesus, oh Jesus, so glorious. You are the pillar that holds my life. Alane Ewura. You are the river that never runs dry. The mighty Redeemer. Lord, you have turned my life around. Oh, yes. Lord, you have turned my life around. Oh, Jesus. Lord, you didn't make up my head as well. I will magnify you, Lord. Patience of
you guys see, you know, happy keeping the environment clean.
Yeah. Let's love the park.
You're happy keeping the environment clean.
We're happy to keep Markville Park clean.
Okay, okay.
Okay, now.
Oh, hold on, hold on. Hello guys, we are still in Mokto Park, keeping the environment clean. But we'll see you guys some other time. Bye.
Bye.